Today, I want to talk about pin shapes in relation to how you can utilize this inside of Map My Customers to quickly visualize different aspects of your accounts, right? So this is very similar to how you use pin colors, how you customize pin colors to show different properties of your data. We've looked at this before, where you can actually set your pin color based on different custom fields inside of your companies. For example, right here, we have it set by product line. That is able to actually color these different pins on the map associated with what what product line they have, right? So, for example, the color keys down here, we can see that product A is blue, product B is green, and product C is pink, right? One of the things we can do instead of colors, if we need to do multi-attribution visualization, say we need to show product line by a certain color, but we want to show yet another attribute by a different thing, we can use shapes, right? So in very similar fashion to how you would use the actual pin color customization, below it you have pin shape. So for example, on the map, we've got just companies being shown, and we can actually we can show the shape of the company based on the cadence status or a custom field. If we click create custom field here, we can actually choose any custom field we want. Let's do source, like where did this lead come from? Did it come from an integration with HubSpot or Salesforce? Did it come from a lead finder inside of Map My Customers? So let's do source of lead, and we'll hit create. And then what we have here is we have on the shape key, this corresponds to where all these different actual shapes came from. So if I were to actually able to, or going to add a new lead, for example, we would expect this to show up as a heart, because if you see down here, the heart associates with lead gen, right? So I'm just going to go through this flow for a second. Got a bunch of leads here in the middle of North Carolina. I'm going to add this one, add to records, add it as company, and then we'll return to the map here. And so we can see this heart right here that is associated with a lead gen lead. So again, you can use shapes and colors in tandem. You can use them separately to visualize more than one custom field or one attribute at a single time.